Every object in the universe attracts every other object. Hello everyone, good to see you again. Welcome back again. Do you know that what is the universal law of gravitation? Newton gave the universal law of gravitation. According to this law, every object of any mass can attract the other object with the help of a certain force, and that certain force is known as the gravitational force. So what happened when apple fall the tree towards the ground? It is also due to the gravitational force of attraction. See, every body, even the small or the large body, having the force of attraction between them, but we can only visible the this attraction between the large object, as their size are large, their mass are also large, but we cannot see this attraction between the small size of the small mass of object. But it doesn't mean that there is no attraction between the small size. There is a attraction between the small size, but the attraction is so small that we are not able to visible. Small two stones can attract each other, but their attractions are very small between them. Large stone falling towards from the height to the ground, and it is also due to the force of attraction or a gravitational force of attraction. So beware about your thinking. These attraction also affect in our own thinking. What we think, we can get the result from the other action too. See what happens. Whatever we think, maybe a positive or a negative thinking, whatever we think, their result are shown in the other actions. So be aware of your thinking. Say that with the focus go, energy flows, right? So whenever there is any hindrance come in your way, stop focus on that thinking, right? And turn your focus towards your productivity. We used to say that we haven't done anything with others, why they are treating me this way, but are thinking in our own wrong side. We think, they act. Don't think about the people who let you down. Just change your direction. When you start changing your direction, you will get the result itself. I know it is not possible, it is very tough, but when we start doing it, the tough become easy. Do it, guys. Be aware of your thinking. Whatever the other do, don't see they're doing. They will definitely get the result according to their thinking, according to their doing. We are no one to judge them. We are no one to blame them. Their thinking, their action, they will suffer. Not the one who punish them. They will definitely punish by their karma.